So good morning, everyone. Okay, so today's training will be regarding PLC and HMI and VFD training. Okay, so how the PLC communicate with HMI and control a VFD. Okay. Okay. So I'm your trainer today. So I just introduce myself first. Okay. So I graduated in mechanical engineering, but during my studies, I work with my uncle in automation. So that's how I interested in automation. So after my graduate, I joined this company. Okay. Then slowly I learned PLCs, all type of PLCs, HMI, and do some projects. Okay. Then I've done projects for PLC, HMI, SCADA. So of course the PLC, your machine is included VFD as well. Okay. And we do the panel wiring, everything. So that's how I learned the wiring as well. Okay. Then I've been conducting this training since 2018. Okay. After my boss, I conducting this training since 2018. Then these are some of the companies that have done the training for Samsung, Panasonic, so all different type of PLC they use it. Okay. Then in 2021, I acquired the trainer training lah. Okay. And because if you want to claim from HRD, okay, so you must take the training certificate. Okay. So in 2021, I attend the training and I get a certificate. Okay. So they teach you how to do training, proper training lah. Proper training. Okay. So today's learning objective is, okay, we will learn how to back up from the PLC. Okay. So first we do the how to back up the PLC program. Okay. Then how to back up the HMI program. Okay. Then we create a simple PLC program to control the VFD. At the same time, we need to configure the VFD as well. Okay. So first, what is PLC? Okay. So before that, okay. So can you introduce yourself?
Yeah, my name is Marvin.
Okay.
And around 7 years, 8 years, in mechanical
lah.
position. Yes.
Okay.
Currently, I'm working in wood industry.
Okay.
So what I'm facing is nowadays automation. More demand.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
So I want to learn more.
More automation lah.
Yes.
Yeah. Because nowadays all the companies are using automate their machine.
Yes.
Okay. So the main thing in automation is the PLC. Okay. After that only the others lah. Okay. The main thing is the PLC. So if the others like HMI, SCADA, everything is just to take the data only. So the main thing. The controlling is PLC. Okay. Alright. So have you done any PLC programming before?
No.
Okay. So yeah, Mister.
Okay, my name is Thivyanath Nair.
Okay.
I'm currently working as a chief electrician on board the drilling rig.
Okay.
Basically, I work with the PLC system on the rig, but I didn't have any
hands-on with the PLC lah.
I work hands-on with PLC, but I didn't have any
The programming side.
Yes.
Programming side. How to back up.
Yeah,
How to download.
correct.
How to troubleshoot.
Yeah.
Okay. So you oil rig, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Because oil rig also they controlled by the PLC.
Yes, correct.
Yeah.
All automation.
Automation.
Yeah.
Yeah. Of course. You understand?
My name is Alex Peter.
Okay.
I currently work in Singapore with the manufacturing company.
Okay.
We produce this.
Hard disk. Okay.
So this the machine that they use to create hard disk is smarter machine.
Okay.
The smarter machine usually controlled by the PLC.
Okay.
So I realized that since I work for this company for 2 years plus, all around the company we a lot like semi-automation. We're using human and also
The machine.
machine to run everything. So I think the PLC is that got some how to say demand for the future.
Yeah.
So I decided to join this course.
Okay. So your background is
Mechanical and manufacturing.
for mechanical and manufacturing. Okay. Yeah, because mechanical they don't have PLC during their studies, right? Okay. But actually, I get a lot of mechanical students also because even electrical or mechanical nowadays, if you are a mechanical guy or electrical guy, you must know the others. Let's say you are mechanical, you need to know the electric. If you're electric, you need to know the mechanical things.
Not like before.
Yeah, not like before. Because mechanical means you only work on mechanical. Electrical means, but nowadays you need to combine both, at least the basic knowledge. Okay. So so means you have seen the PLC lah. You know how the PLC works, everything, but you never go and really hands-on lah on how to do a backup. Okay. How to do troubleshooting, programming, everything. Okay. So PLC is a programmable logic controller. So you've seen before, right? Okay. You can automate any system. Okay, you can automate any system you want. Okay. So because PLC you have different range. You have a smaller PLC, bigger PLCs. Okay. So you can see here. So we have some different PLCs like. Okay. So this one is like they call compact PLC. Okay, they have some input outputs or this one is already old generation lah, Siemens one. Okay, so in front of you I already had a PLC, right? It's a small version. So smaller machine can use that. Okay, but even though it's small, it can control big system. You can add more number of input output. It can control the big system. Okay. Okay, so this one just an example lah, assembly, manufacturing, oil and gas, all that. But nowadays, or even a small machine, if let's say you want to peel a coconut, right? Even for that also you can use PLC, right? Because why? Because you want to do that, there's a motor to control that, right? Rotation, everything. So PLC can do that. At the same time, why PLC? Because you can program. Anytime you can program. Anytime you can change the program. Okay, if you got error, then you can go and diagnostic what is the error, everything. Okay, right. Next, okay. So you know PLC, right? Okay, PLC they have digital and also analog. Okay, so we have a digital inputs and also analog inputs. We have a digital output, analog output. Okay, so digital we have a sensors, limit switch, push buttons. So your machine, what type of digital they use for your machines?
Like
push button, emergency stop. Okay.
What else?
You have some sensors, right?
Yes, correct.
Yeah, some sensors.
Yeah.
Okay. Like yours should have many sensors because you're getting the board, right? You should have many sensors. Okay. But they have two type of sensors. So one is digital, one is analog, right? Okay. So digital, very simple. Digital is any signal that is on or off. So like you see that push button, selector switch, emergency stop, okay, all that just on or off. Okay. Analog means you will have a range. Okay, like temperature. So your machine should have pressure, right? We have pressure, temperature, okay, all that. That also show must have, right? Okay. Your system, you have any analog inputs?
Yes, it's like temperature.
Temperature. Yeah, mostly temperature like any system. The base normal one they use temperature, pressure, encoders, right? Even a VFD also same. If you want to control a VFD, the speed, the feedback, right? Is also analog. So you can send a value to the motor. When the motor turn, you get a feedback analog also. Okay. So the input go to PLC, the programmer do the program, and the output also digital and analog. It will be your from your PLC program, according to your PLC on and off according to your PLC program. Okay, right. So whatever PLC you use, you need to use their software, the correct software. Okay. Then the most important part is the cable. Okay, so in front of you I already have a PLC, right? So you can see there's a PLC Siemens. Then I connected a Ethernet cable. Okay, so I connected the Ethernet cable to your laptop. Okay. Okay. Next. Sorry, it's my laptop. Okay. What is HMI? Okay. So HMI is they call human machine interface like between machine and human to control the machine. Okay. So what data you get from the machine? Okay. So it's controlled by the PLC. Okay. PLC is the one control your machine and get the data feedback of your machine. What is the status, everything? Then you can see in your touch screen, touch panel. Okay. Okay. Next is the VFD. Okay. Variable frequency drive. Actually, they call variable frequency drive, or another sometimes they call VSD, variable speed drive. Okay. Both the concept is same. Normally, what happens once they control by frequency. So means the value you key in is controlled by frequency. Sometimes the speed means sometimes they control using RPM. But both the both the VFD is same only. Okay. So they control what actually? They control your motor, your induction motor. Okay, electric motor lah. Okay. At the same time, why they use actually the motor, right? You can directly on using the star delta, right? Okay, you can directly on. But why they use VFD? Because you can number one you can control the speed. That is the main idea. If directly on, they call direct online, DOL motor. Sometimes they call DOL motor. What happens? It will run 100% full speed. Okay. But if you connect a VFD, the VFD can control your speed. Okay, can control your speed. At the same time, the VFD can control your ramp up and ramp down. Because if you direct online, right, sometimes they use star delta. Okay, they will on first, then only they will change to the star delta. Okay, but VFD we don't need to do that. We can start full speed, or we can start at the lower speed. Because the VFD can control the ramp up and ramp down.
Meaning we can control the torque as well. Right?
Yeah, of course. Okay. So this training we will see how to program. Okay. So how to program the PLC with the VFD to control the motor speed. So you can control the motor speed and can control the ramp up, ramp down. Okay. So before we go into the programming, PLC have input and output addressing. Okay. So PLC input is I0.0 until I0.7. Okay. Then they continue with I0 1.0 until 1.7. Okay. So your output will be Q0.0 until Q0. So they will use I for input, Q for output, M for memory. Okay. So for this one, of course, you do some wiring, right? So like in front of you, the PLC got push button, select the switch, right? All that is the input. Your output, I connect to a LAN. Okay.
This just a sample, isn't it?
Yeah.
So the output will be much more if you're adding some.
Yeah, this one is just a sample lah. The more number you add, the bigger the number. Because the input can go up to, according to the PLC capacity, can go up to 1,000 inputs. Okay, but it depends on the different model lah. Okay, some model can go up to 200 only. Some model can go up to 500. Okay. Then memory is just inside the PLC only, memory bits. Okay. And alright. Next, the PLC. So in front of you, you have this PLC. Okay. The CPU 1214. Okay. So you can see there's a power input is 24 DC. Okay. 24 DC. At the same time, you have a power out 24 DC also. Okay. Then here is the digital input, and here is the analog. Here is the memory card slot. Okay. So the this PLC already have a built-in memory. Okay, if you want to do some, have you heard about data logging? Right, data logging means you want to log a particular data, right? Every 1 minute, okay, every seconds, depend on every 1 hour, okay. So you can connect the memory card here, okay. So you need to do the program for data logging, okay. Then the data will go into your memory card. So later on you can take the memory card to get the data. Okay, there's many way of data logging. So one of the function memory card, because the PLC already have memory, so why I need to put the memory card, right? Okay, but if the program is big, if the PLC memory is not enough, then I have to use the memory card. Number one. Number two is memory card. This memory card can go up to 64 GB. 64 GB. But the PLC program is just a KB only. So, but why? Because sometimes what happen, like just now I said, they will do the data logging, right? So they will save in your memory card. Even you can save your project file inside that also can. Even you can save the software also can. So that's why you can go up to 64 GB memory card. Okay, but you must use the Siemens memory card. You can use normal memory card. But Siemens released new 1200, the new version. The new version they call generation 2. That one you can use normal memory card. The generation 2 can use normal memory card. Okay. So here is the CPU model, and here is the part number. You can see the part number. So they have different model lah. So different model, different type of number of item. Okay. What is the difference between all the models? Number one is the memory capacity. So how big the program can do. Another one is the number of input output you can add. So like this model 1214, you can add up to 8 input cards. Input or output cards. Okay. If you use 1212, maximum 2 only. Okay. Then digital output, we have a digital output here. Then here is the Ethernet cable you connect. Okay, you connect the they call Profinet. Okay. Then here they call option board slot. Inside the option board, if let's say you need additional inputs, okay. Let's say you just need, let's say this input like 10 inputs, right? So if you need additional input, you can add here also. So you can add here digital or analogs. Also can add communication module also can. Okay. Then you have run, stop, error, and here. Okay. Good. Okay. So first, what we do, we learn how to do backup first. Okay, backup from the PLC to your laptop. Okay. So I connect to one of your laptop. So what you do? Take which is it? Just now.
Later you go back to the slide, right?
Yeah, I give you the slide.
Oh, previous slide.
Yeah,
oh,
that's
previous
good.
slide. That's really good.
Okay.
I need to take a photo. No, this is different because this one.
That one is the manual. The manual you have.
Yeah.
Okay. This one is just the step lah. What you have to do. Okay.
Yeah.
Alright.
Different. It's mine. This one.
Yeah. Alright. What you do first? Okay.
Okay.
First, okay, I just go through this first. Okay, just close the TI portal. Okay. So we have a PLC and PC, right? One called upload. Okay. Call it upload. Okay. So first, because this PLC using Ethernet port, right? So we don't know what is the IP address.
Yeah.
Right. Okay. Because there is no screen. You know, some models they have screen, so you can see the address. Okay.
Right.
So first we need to set our PC to dynamics. Okay, so we need to keep automatic IP address. Okay, then we open the software, create a new project, then we can upload from the PLC to your PC. Okay, then we can we can save the program. Okay, so what you do, you in your desktop. Okay, so you can see TI portal software, right? Okay, so this is the software that we use for this PLC. Okay, just open. Okay, so this one will take some time. So before that, what we do, you right click here, open network and internet setting, change adapter option. Okay, so you can see your Ethernet is connected, right? Okay, if you see like this cross sign, it means it's not connected. Okay, right click, properties, then Internet Protocol version 4.
What is the difference version 4 and version 6?
Okay, version 4 normally they use, version 6 they don't have. Version 6 is higher version, means the speed is faster. And it's not like that, because the version 4 is totally different. Version 6 is like a MAC address, because sometimes the IP, your PLC, you see there's all in the
MAC address.
MAC address.
Yes, correct. There is a MAC address.
Yeah.
2863.
So the addressing will be like that. The IPv6. So IPv4 the normal addressing we use. Okay.
So if I want to use 96, I can use my address.
Yeah, but it cannot work IP. Can use IPv6. IPv6 for mode 2. PLC normally use IPv4. It's more to like you're connecting to server, cloud system, like that. Okay.
And then should we untick the box there?
No need.
Should we tick or untick also?
That one no problem. Because for now the Ethernet, of course some is already ticked, right? Okay, because that one is if I want to connect to my internet, right? For that, okay. But now we are just want to use the version 4, right? So we just modify the version 4. So the others we don't need to do anything. Okay. So update automatic. Okay. Alright. Can close this. Can minimize this as well. Can minimize this because later, because now why I did this one? Because we don't know the PLC IP address.
Yeah.
Okay. So now we have PLC, we have PC, right? Okay. So we want to from the PLC to PC. So we don't know the IP address. Okay. So that's why we do this. Okay. Later we want to do a backup the HMI. So for the HMI, we can go to the HMI and check what is the IP address. Okay. Right. So you create new project. You can name it as upload or PLC backup 1. Okay. Inside the manual also you have this how to backup. Inside the manual, I think page 50 above you have. Okay, inside.
Oh, inside.
Yes, the manual. Yeah, page 50 above you have, because from the page, I think third page to the 50, the introduction of the PLC. Okay, the PLC hardware, everything. Okay, then after that, yes. Then from you can see in the content. Page 50, I think. Page 50 or 51. Right? Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Upload, technique project, all that. All this here. So because you know why? Because you need the step by step. When you do
Okay.
programming, you need a step by step, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So once done, create the project, you go to open project view. Yeah. Okay. So this one is good. How to find my file to get first. All the cables keep on it.
Okay.
First I connect to the Ethernet switch. Okay. But later want to use the VFD, right? Okay. Right. So what we do? You click the add new device. This one click now. Am I right? And close. Then go to online. Upload device as a new station. Okay. 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 So you can see here PNIE. Okay. So type of PG-PC interface. PC means your laptop lah. PG. So in German they call PG lah. Okay. So interface is a PNIE. PN means Profinet. Your Ethernet cable lah. Okay. IE means industrial internet. Okay. Then yeah, we choose the first one. Okay. Click OK. Close this one. Whatever. You open again. Yeah, I think it's some bug. So your project will be there. Okay, now get new project. Okay, back up. So you get one PLC, right? Okay, so what is the IP address of the PLC?
92168.
So I just will 192.168.0.1. Okay, so you can do yes, you can do click here, go to online, upload device as new station. Okay, if you are doing new project, then you just need to add new device. Okay. Okay, start search. Yes.
Mine doesn't have the internet section. This one got error also.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. You go to your Ethernet. Yes. Change adapter option. Check first the thing is one. Give me not. Okay. Okay, now, right, okay, now you close.
G120 is
Yeah, select him.
Right.
You cannot close first. You just
Oh,
cancel, you try.
right.
Yeah, because here battery, right?
Okay, I can choose which one?
The PLC.
PLC.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Any Siemens product you can.
We can check. Because
Other
here,
other device also can be.
Yeah.
Cannot.
okay, because this is a tier portal. Tier portal can program for PLC, HMI, and VFD. So it can detect.
What if I use other brand of VFD system?
Only this brand. Because if you use the other brand, let's say ABB, right? So you must use the ABB software. Okay. Okay, so your PLC IP address is 192.
Oh, okay.
Right. 168.01. Am I right? Okay.
Okay.
Right. So your laptop is automatic lah. So later you change the IP address when you want to do a backup for the HMI. Okay? Okay? Right.
Then how can I check the?
Never mind.
Never mind.
Check what?
Check the IP. If I press the download already, then how can I upload already? Then how can I check the IP?
Can. I show you
Okay.
how to check. Once we upload already, okay.
Mm.
Here is your PLC, right?
Okay.
Click here. Go to program blocks. Okay. Go to main or the process now. Process or analog. Anything. Just open.
Yeah, I have to. The VFD have to stop while I'm uploading.
No need.
But
Ask you to stop. Okay, we see one. Okay. So this is the program my previous programmer done.
Yeah.
Okay. My previous programmer done. They download here. I mean for the previous training lah.
Okay.
So whenever you back up, it will always back up the last program I download that.
Oh.
So same work with your machine also. Okay. Right. So now we go into the VFD lah. Okay. So we have a PLC, we have a VFD. So what we have to do first? Okay. First we need to create the project lah. Project. Then once we done adding the PLC, we need to add the VFD to the project. Okay. Then we have to commission the VFD. So okay, we have to create the VFD program. Then we can create the PLC program. We can test with the PLC. Try to run lah on and off. Okay. Okay. So first, I show you how to add the PLC. I mean add the VFD in your system. We go to add new device. Okay, so you can see here got drives, right? Okay. Then, okay, this model they call Cinemix G.
Synergy.
Okay. So it's G120.
G120.
Yes. Okay. So you can see got these drives. Okay. They actually can power off this. Power off this. Okay. Just show you about this drive here. Okay. This one got 3 components here. Okay, got 3 components here. Okay. So the first one is top one. Okay. So this one they call BOP, Basic Operating Panel.
Oh,
Basic operating panel means here you can set the parameters. You want to got error, you can see the error here. Okay. Without this also this one can run.
Oh,
Yes. It's like similar like HMI. Like.
Okay, let's see during run.
Yes.
Okay, I pull out this one.
Can.
It still can run.
Still can run. Later we try.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. This one is the control unit.
Oh.
Okay. This one is the control unit. So let's can take up. Okay. This is a control unit. Consider like this is like the PLC for this lah. It's a control unit. This is the power unit.
Oh, yeah.
So this is the one decides your motor capacity. Okay. So the part number is here. You can see this one can control maximum 0.55 kilowatt. So your motor maximum that. Okay. This one don't have that. Sometimes this one bigger.
Okay.
And this one same thing. Okay. This one is the control unit, you can see. Okay, CU250PN, Profinet. Okay, I have another one. I bring. If let's say your PLC don't have Profinet, you want to use
Another type is
MP Profibus,
Profibus.
also can.
Meaning with this
With this
power
one,
unit.
I can use this one, Profibus,
Oh.
to control.
Okay.
So it depends. So I have two types. You can see. Okay, I have two types. So one is the Profinet type. One is the Profinet. One is the Profibus type. Let's say this drive. I want to control using this PLC, right? Okay, so I can use this because this PLC don't have a Profibus. Let's say this drive I want to control using the 300.
Okay.
I must use this one.
Oh, must
Why?
use
Because
Profinet.
that one don't have Ethernet.
Okay.
So I must use a Profibus. So that's why we have both. So sometimes for symmetric training, I use this.
Oh.
For TI portal, I mean S7300, I use this lah. 1200, 1500, I can use this. If let's say the S7300 got Ethernet port, then I can use this one.
Oh.
So got three components. Okay. This one, keep it here first. Okay. So when we do the configuration, right, we need to select this and this also. So here, right, can you see it shows control unit?
Yes. Correct.
So first we choose this one. Then only we can choose this one. So this one normally what they do. If you see sometimes your machine, you have all the VFD. They have sometimes something like this. They have a panel VFD. So actually, for let's say you have a 10 drive, you only need one enough.
Oh, one enough.
There's another one. This one is a basic operating panel. There's another one called AOP, Advanced Operating Panel. That one got more functions, more settings can do. Okay. This one even can copy the program from here, can store here. Then from here to another VFD also. So this one normally what they put in machine company, they have let's say 10, they have only one. So what they do, let's say this one spoiled really. So what happen? Let's say you have a spare. You go to the next VFD, connect this, you copy, backup, same like just now with the HMI, backup and restore. Backup to here, they have backup to ROM, EEPROM or something, ROM something, read only memory. Okay, so you backup to here, then you connect to the another drive, you can restore it. Okay. So first we configure this. This one no need to configure lah. This one nothing. Okay, it's just a panel only. First we configure this, then we configure the power module. Okay.
Okay. This one is.
You can take a picture of the power module part numbers. You want to see. Yes. Okay. Now got error, right? Can you see bus fault?
Yeah.
Actually inside here got program. The previous training I used this lah. Said why? What? Bus fault means communication error.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Why F error? Because this PLC now inside here don't have this drive.
Oh.
The moment I add this drive into here, right, then it's an error.
Okay.
Even though I not need to download it, but I need to know that I will adjust this one. Okay. Okay. Alright.
Okay. We need to add this one.
Yes. Okay. So first we add the control unit. Okay. So control unit is
PN.
CU250S PN. You just click once, vector, the last one. The second last PN. Okay. So this one is the version. Okay. So you click here. So you use 470 because this is the version 4.7.0. 10. 4.7.10. Yeah. Here, okay.
How to check the version?
Similar that just now we checked the
Okay.
PLC version. Remember? Accessible device. Okay. Now, so you see only at the control unit.
Yeah.
Okay. Now you need to add the power units. Okay. Click on the power unit. Okay. So the power unit is what? PM 240. This
PM 240
dash 2. Okay. PM 240 dash 2. The second one. Okay. It's a single phase, right?
Yeah.
One AC. So the first one. So the FSA. Yeah. Okay. So you this one really decide? Yeah. No, this one. Yeah. Okay.
Oh,
So
0.5.
ours is 0.55, right? Okay.
Okay.
You just click once, the first one.
Okay.
Okay. You see the part number is correct now. I think that you see the last part number.
X. It's not correct.
No. Yours is what? OUL.
Yeah, OUL.
Okay.
But
So
it's
it's
O. Zero.
Zero. U, right? Okay. Second one.
What?
Okay, this one is a 0 UL. The X you never know
X, never.
X, because sometimes it's a 0, sometimes it's 1.
Zero. OUL.
Yeah,
Okay.
right?
There is a zero at the back.
Here they put X. Means whether it's a 0 or 1 or 2, the same part number you need to choose.
OUL. Okay.
Okay. You just drag. Can you see? They put this one is highlighted, right?
Yeah.
Just drag, put it here. Okay, done. Now you go here. Yes, click.
Network review. Oh,
Okay, now from here to here you connect. Okay, put not assigned. You click here. Yeah,
IO.
the Profinet.
Yes.
You select this.
Select Profinet.
Yeah. Okay, so it connect to your Profinet system. So Ethernet cable called Profinet lah. Okay. Okay. Now you click here. This one is the show Ethernet address. Show the address. Okay, you click.
All the address.
Yes.
Okay.
Can you see the like a purple color like the eye?
Yes.
Is it there?
Right.
Yes. Okay, so you can see the IP address, right? So your PLC IP address 192.168.0.1. Okay. Your HMI is 192.168.0.2. But your HMI there is how much? You check in your HMI what is the IP address? Go down. No, it's there. Go up. Okay. Network, yes.
05.
05. So you change to 05.
Oh, for this one only.
Yes.
HMI.
For the HMI 05. Okay. So for the VFD, we leave it 3, no problem. Because why? Later once you do the settings, you will download the file to your VFD. So whether the VFD is different IP address, so it will change to your new IP address.
Oh, this one will change to new.
Yes. No, not here. It will update your VFD. So
Oh.
let's say, for example, currently your VFD is 192.168.0.10, for example.
Yeah.
Once you download this one, it will change to 3. Yes, no problem. Only the HMI we have to check and forward. If no, can also. Here just now 2, right? We can leave it 2. The HMI will change to 2.
Oh,
Also can.
inside HMI.
It's HMI. Just now you go there, right?
Yeah, yeah.
That one we can change also there.
Oh, yeah. Correct.
Mm.
You can press it.
You can
Oh,
press,
okay.
you can change the data.
Yeah. Let's skip.
And close that.
Okay.
Okay, good. Alright. Save first. Whatever we do, save first. Okay. Now we're going to do the commissioning. Because you know, whenever we do a VFD, we need to do the commissioning
Yeah.
for the VFD. Because we need to tell the VFD what is my motor capacity, who controlling the VFD, okay? Whether I control, because VFD I got 3 ways to control. Okay? 3 ways to control. You see? So controlling using the PLC, right? Okay. Okay. The first way, okay, first way is controlling using DI DO.
Okay.
Digital input, digital output. Okay. So this, I put two way. Okay. So your PLC will control the VFD using the DI/DO only. Okay. So DI/DO means what? The PLC can just on and off. So the speed setting where inside your VFD. So the speed is the setting of the speed inside the VFD you need to fix. So it become normally it's like a constant speed only. So VFD will have a constant speed. If let's say your motor you want to change the speed, right? You go to VFD and change. Okay? Okay. Second is DI/DO AI/AO. Okay? Okay. I put here the PLC is just control. So now my PLC can control, control on off lah, right? At the same time it can control the speed as well. Okay? It can control the speed as well. Okay? Good. Number 3 is using communication. Using communication. The same way now currently we are using Profinet. So the telecom. So there's many types of communication. So you use Ethernet, use a Profibus, or they call serial, right? Okay. So when I use communication, I can control the motor movement and also the speed as well. So currently what we're doing is the number 3. So this one is using analog input, analog output. You can control the motor speed.
Okay.
Okay, can?
Using like yesterday that we did,
Yeah.
isn't it? Okay.
Good.
Okay.
Okay. Now, now what we do? Okay, so we already add the drive, right? Okay. Now, can you see under the driver, you have a commissioning.
Commissioning, yeah. Right.
Okay, under the driver, you have a commissioning. Okay, you click the commissioning.
Okay.
Okay,
That's,
can you see?
we-
Basic commissioning step by step. Right, okay. You click that commissioning.
Okay, it's alright.
Yes. Okay.
I don't see the. Oh, okay.
Under the drive.
And then,
Okay.
Under the drive, then basic commissioning. Let me show you.
Basic commission.
The first one.
Commissioning is it?
Yes. Okay. Okay, good. Okay. So you see. So we are using the drive. You click here. So standard means for this lah, pump, fan, compressor, mixer, all that, right? Okay, pump, all that. Dynamic, you click. Dynamic is the same lah, but like rotary,
Yeah.
centrifuge, or vertical conveyors,
Yeah.
like. But if I using dynamic, I need the encoder.
Yes, correct.
I need the encoder because I need to know the position. Okay,
Or what they call it, motor,
encoder.
encoder and the other one.
Normally the one is a servo motor.
Servo motor.
Yes, yes. Servo motor is different.
Different.
Different, yes. Servo motor is different. This motor we need to add additional encoders.
Encoder.
Yes.
Oh, we using dynamic.
Yes. If you're using dynamic, we use the motor, the same motor, right?
We need
But we need to
encoder.
additional encoder.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay.
Servo motor is different. Servo motor always is already attached
Yes.
encoders. Because servo motor normally they use for precise position.
Oh.
These motors for bigger loads.
Okay.
We use that. Okay. Okay. So what happened? Okay. When I use, for example, dynamic drive. Okay. You know, our drive, right, got so many parameters
Yeah.
to set.
Yes.
Okay. Have you seen before the parameter need to set? Okay. Or hundreds of parameters. Okay.
Everything.
Yes, so many. Okay. What is the function of this commissioning? If I choose dynamic, some of the parameter automatically set according to what you choose.
Oh.
Yes. So no need to do manually one by one. Refer the manual manually
Okay,
one
yeah.
by one. No need to do.
Oh, meaning the best way is using the dynamic.
And no, it's depend. Dynamic also can. Your standard also can.
Okay.
You go to the standard, but we use standard because this one need encoder.
Okay.
Standard. So this one. If I use expert, then most of the parameter I manually set.
Oh, we need to do our own.
Our own calculation need to set what are the torque we need, the braking, everything we need to set.
Oh. But let's say okay, I put on standard or advanced. Standard or
Okay.
what?
Standard, another one is the dynamic. Yes.
Okay. Let's say I want to change the parameters because you said is dynamic is auto calculate.
Yeah, dynamic and also the standard also.
Standard also
auto
calculate.
Yes.
Okay. Let's say I want to change
The parameter.
parameters like pulse, everything. Still can.
Yes, they can.
Even though is auto calculate.
Yeah, because like I said, it's hundreds of parameters.
Yes,
And
hundreds of
so
parameters.
once you've done, then any specific parameter you want to change, you can change.
Oh. Okay.
No problem.
Oh, we still can.
Yes, skill can change.
Okay.
Okay? But we use standard lah.
Standard.
Yes. Okay, done. Okay, so because standard motor up to 45 kilowatt. Okay,
45 kilowatt.
but our motor is just 0.55.
0.55.
The
drive.
our module
Oh,
maximum 0.55.
0.55.
But the motor I use is a 0.18.
Oh, 0.58.
Yes. Okay. Next.
Next.
Okay, this is the one. Okay. So you see, got 3 types.
Yes.
This one is if I use
Oh,
these
both.
two.
Okay.
hard wiring,
Oh, DI or the
DIDO or the analog one.
Analog.
So because the RAM function, I need to add here. In the drive, I need to tell the RAM up, RAM down, RAM down. Okay. These two is if I do communication. Okay. Now this one also. If I choose this one, the PLC function is just to send the motor speed and just push on only. So inside the drive you have the RAM up. So the motor slowly, let's say you put 50 Hertz, then the RAM up time you put 2 seconds. So from 0 to 50 Hertz it will take 2 seconds to reach the 50 Hertz. Then when you press stop, from 50 to 0 it take 2 seconds, for example lah. So that 2 second setting you have to do in your drive. Okay, so here inside if we do lah. Okay, but if I choose the first one, in the program I need to do that. In the program. So how to do that is, let's say you key 50 Hertz. So it must be within 2 seconds. So you need to use a timer function. Put 2 seconds. Within 2 seconds, it slowly increase until 50. So you need to do additional program for that. So actually no need. So we choose the second one.
We will
In the program, we need to add a timer, we need to add an increment function. From 0 to 50, I will take 2 seconds to reach. Or whatever value I key in that. Okay? Next. Okay. So function modules. Function modules means, you remember here just now, we had some instructions, all that. Okay? Okay, now don't have that. Some instruction or that, the timer, counter. Okay. If I want to control the VFD using a function block, also can.
function block.
Yes, they have a special function blocks to
For
control
VFD.
your VFD. But that one normally I use for just now the dynamic one. Because the special function block need a encoder.
Okay.
Okay, so this one no need that, we just don't get no problem. Because we just want to know how to control on and off, increase the speed, decrease the speed. Okay, so that's what we want to learn today. Okay, okay, next. Okay, here field bus with data set changeover. Yeah, because field bus means this one, communication. Means communication. Field bus means field. They call field communication, right? They call field bus, right? Field bus means field communication. Okay, choose this one. Yes. Then we choose standard telegram 1. Okay. Okay. What is meaning standard telegram 1, 2, whatever? Standard telegram 1. Can you see PZD 2/2? It means once you do the communication, it will give you 2 input, 2 outputs. Okay? Okay. So I will tell you what is that. Okay, this one can I erase?
Yes.
Okay, now. So once you've done the communication, what do you want to do? You want to control the speed and also on off. So 2 function only. Okay?
Okay. On off and
On one is to control, one is the speed.
speed. Okay. Let's say I choose more than that.
Yes.
Like 4.
Okay, so one is to control. Of course, the first one is control.
Okay.
Second one is the speed. The third one you can read the torque value. Want to read the temperature of your drive. So many functions.
But let's say I didn't use it during program.
No problem. Because
It won't affect.
if you choose number 2, what happens? It means you able to take 4 data. Means the drive will give you 4 data. It's depend on you. You want to use 4 data or 2 data. But most important 2 data.
Okay.
Because the first one is to control, second one is the speed setting. The others all is additional. It's depend on the machine. Whether how many data you want to take. Okay? Okay. So we just choose 2 lah. PZD. Okay? Okay. So you remember this standard telegram. Later we use this again. Okay. Next. Okay. So this IEC standard motor lah. 50 Hz. Okay. And yeah, got 60 also.
Oh, 5.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Because Malaysia we use 50,
Yeah.
right? Okay. Then the drive. Okay. The drive is a single phase.
Yeah.
Automatic this one. Why automatic? Because you remember just now you choose single phase motor.
Yes, correct.
So automatic. Okay. I mean single phase drive. Next. Okay. Braking resistor, we don't have braking resistor. Okay. Next. Okay. Select the motor configuration. Okay. So we have option. We can enter motor data manually, or we can select from the file. Okay. Because
this one from interface.
Yeah.
This one from
number or list. This one is enter motor data manually. Means the motor have the amps,
Okay.
RPM, all that, right? It's a delta or star. So what you do, we choose from the order list. So what happens? It will automatically do the settings.
Okay.
Okay. So select motor type. So this motor type will fall under 1LE1 induction motor. Yes. Then got so many power lah.
Yeah.
What we do, you key in here 0.25. Yeah, double click 0.25. So you have one motor. Enter. Okay, you have this motor, right? Okay, click here. Okay, so the connection is delta connection. Yes. So no temperature sensor lah. Okay, next. Okay, no motor brake holding. Okay, next. Okay, so this is the reference speed because this one is by default lah. Just now we choose the motor. Okay, so 1500 RPM. Okay, ram up, ram down time we decrease lah 10 seconds too long. So maybe you can put 2 seconds or 1 second. Enter. Okay. Off, ram down time also same. Okay. This one is off quickly means suddenly got error, trip, communication loss, suddenly off. So this one also you can use 1 second or 0 second also can, no problem. But this now can lah, because this motor is not connected to any machine. Okay?
Let's put the same.
Okay, 1 second. Okay. Next. This one will
Current limit
this one by default.
by default.
Yes. Okay. Now, this one constant load lah, right? Constant load, linear lah. The speed.
Linear,
Okay. Okay. Now, this one is very important. Identify motor data extensively. Okay. Okay. What is this here? Because just now we choose from the list the motor data, right? Okay. So what I got this one, once if I choose this one, later what I will do the testing, commissioning. Okay, I will do the testing. When I do the testing, my drive will send a maximum current in C. So it will do the identify motor. It will send maximum current. It will try to put maximum and try to get data back to the PLC, and it will automatically rearrange some of the values. These functions. Not like last time. Last time, the drive, everything you need to key manually.
Yes, correct.
But this one all, but normally some drive also they have this one. Motor data extensive, identify. Wait, whatever. Later when you want to try, right, test run now. It won't run straight away. Do scanning first. Once done, it will tell you okay, then only you can run. Okay, good.
Okay. Meaning we
We
use
choose that. Yes. Okay. Next. So these are the things you choose lah. Okay. Okay, go up. Okay, can you see the set point specify PLC RAM function in the drive? That's why we choose right.
Yeah.
So standard again function. Okay, not using function module. Okay, we are using Telegram 1. So 2 data. 50 Hertz and 230. Okay, no braking resistor. Okay, delta connection 1500 RPM. Okay. Alright, RAM up time 1 second, RAM down time 1 second. Go down. Okay. So motor data identification. So identify motor data extensively. Okay, finish.
Can you change
Save first. Yes.
data in future?
Can.
Like time
Can, of course.
Oh, I forgot to record this one. Wow.
I have no problem. I have this manual.
Is it?
Yeah, I have this manual.
Oh, okay.
This particular drive manual only I have. How to select all that I have.
Thanks.
Okay, good. Okay, now what we do? Okay, just now we select two input, two output, right?
That's correct.
Okay.
So you put all.
You go to device and network. So you open this one, right? Okay. Okay. You double click your drive. You select the drive, the control unit lah. Right click property. Okay, this is the property lah. Okay. Okay. You go to Telegram configuration. Drive. Send.
Send actually.
Yeah, send the first one. Okay. You choose. You can make it bigger, no problem.
Oh, the IP. Oh, okay. The IP
Okay.
address is will be set already.
Yeah, that's now we said that.
Yeah.
Okay, you see here.
Send.
From here, we will get two data. Okay, we will get two data. Okay, first, the drive and the partner is the PLC, right?
PLC, yeah.
Okay, we choose standard Telegram 1 just now.
Okay.
Right? Okay. Standard Telegram 1 means it will give you two data. Actually, both the data is word.
Oh.
16-bit.
Okay.
Because speed, right?
Speed, yeah.
Set the value. Okay. But if you want to control also, same word. Okay, I will tell you how. So can you see it shows I256. Okay, it means IW256. Okay, later I have the slide I have. You can take picture.
Okay.
That's from this. Okay. Okay. So can you see you got two word.
Good.
Okay. So you go to receive means this one is from the drive to the partner, right? It
Okay.
means when the drive is running, you get the feedback. It's a I. Similar like your analog control. You receive the feedback, right? Motor speed. Same thing. Okay, receive. This one is from the PLC to your drive.
Okay.
So it's an output Q.
Oh, this Q.
256.
Oh, just now.
I.
Okay.
PLC receive the feedback. Q is PLC send the feedback.
Send. Yeah, output send.
Alright. So okay,
Yeah.
but these numbers you can change lah if you want.
Okay.
In the 256 all that want to change, okay. Now, these are the data of your PLC. Okay. So input got 2, right? 256. So since it's a 16-bit, it's a IW256. The first one is actually status word. Okay? Status word means to see whether the motor is running, the motor is stopped, or running forward, running backward, all that. Okay? Second one is the actual speed. Means
Okay.
what is the motor running, the current speed. Okay? Then output. Output is the control bit. The first one. Control is you control the motor. Okay? Then speed word. Okay. So you see, control word 16-bit. You see, control word value is actually in hexadecimal. So this is where we commonly use the hexadecimal. Okay. Where I get these data from the Synamic manual. Yes. So any drive you're using, you download the manual, you will be seeing this name. This name, I didn't create my own name. This is the common name they use for VFDs. They use control word, speed word.
Okay, meaning before I program, I need to know this one.
Yes,
Meaning need to download the
need to download the manual
for this
from
drive.
yes
Particular drive.
particular drive. But what the good thing is, if you're using Siemens, all Siemens same now, same value.
Oh, same value.
Yes. If you're using ABB drive,
Okay.
then you go to the ABB drive manual and see.
Okay.
Okay, good.
Oh.
Okay, so now
Control feedback.
very simple. Okay, if you want to run forward, you need to key in this value. I mean, you need to send this value to your control group. The motor will run forward. Okay, if you send this value, motor will run stop, backward and reset. And this one is the speed value, 4000 in hexadecimal. Okay, so it means 4000 in hexadecimal. In decimal is 16384 in decimal.
4,000.
Yeah. Okay. So you know analog scaling, right? Send a speed value. So analog using 27648. Right. This one is you use 16384.
4,000.
Why?
That's how it works.
For this one?
Yes. For the Siemens drives, all the
Oh.
Siemens.
This one using
Oh,
2000,
2000,
2007, 6 and 4.
Because it's an analog.
Oh.
This one is not an analog, but
160.
similar concept like analog lah. So they have this value. Why not?
Okay, okay.
4,000. Meaning, you have to use hex or
It's up to you. You can use EXA also can. You want to use this number also can. If you want to do scaling.
Okay.
Later I show you both.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, good. Okay. Right. So these are the datas we need. So these datas, okay, from the manual of the drive. So we choose Telegram 1. 2 input, 2 output. So these are the 2 input, 2 output. Okay, so if you want more data, then you can select more lah. Telegram 2, Telegram 3 and so on. Okay, good. Alright. Next is, okay, this one project later we do lah. Okay, so this is the project we want to do. So later, we do same project, start stop, mixer. So we have motor.
Okay.
Pump, we have motor. So we have two motor, one is pump, one is the mixer. Okay, then we have two valves. So for the valve, we can use the lamps.
Oh.
Okay. But before that, what we do, we need to learn how to control the VFD first.
Yes.
Okay. Just now, we already done everything. Okay, now I 1% down first. Okay. Go down, you select the drive. Okay. What we do, you go up, all the way up. Okay. You select the PLC. Okay. Now inside the PLC, I have this configuration, right? Because this one, the drive. When you go back here, okay, inside your PLC, you have this configuration, correct? Okay. First, I download the PLC configuration first.
Meaning we have to create the program.
No need to program. Because I want to download the config, not the program. So you right click the PLC, download to device, hardware configuration. Okay, 1% download. Okay. So now that got error, right? You see, once I download, the error will be gone. Okay, start search. Got 3 devices only. Okay, but my configured is PLC, right? Okay, load. So downloading is similar like just now we see download all that. Okay. So of course need to stop all. Okay, load. So whenever you download new project, the PLC will go to stop. Okay, finish.
Take some while, right?
Yeah. Because it's downloading your configuration, so all your settings, the drive setting, your PLC setting, the IP address, everything will be downloaded to PLC.
But basically we didn't program any.
Yeah, because we didn't. Yeah, because now we download what? Download the hardware only. Program is considered software.
Okay, meaning all the what do you call
Not
it?
the drive. The PLC.
The PLC.
Yes.
Okay.
So what we are downloading just now, we download the hardware. We are telling the PLC, this is my drive, this is my drive part number, this is my drive IP address, everything.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. So supposed to go still blinking. It means the IP address here is different.
Oh.
You said it's 3,
3 years, correct.
but inside here is different.
Yeah.
So that's why you cannot communicate.
Okay.
Now what we do? Now we need to download the drive. Yes, you go to the drive, you choose the drive, okay, go to online, download to device. So now it's going to start search. For the drive, right, I can use USB also.
Oh, USB as well.
Right?
Okay.
Check the cable. I think cable ground. Okay.
Search again.
Yeah, search again. No, see, now okay.
Oh, no need.
Actually, just now the drive, the cable was. So means the IP address I do in my project and this one is the same.
Already been transferred.
Yeah, no.
No,
The
also
same.
same.
Still, the old project is inside.
Oh, okay.
Still, we need to download also.
But why my PLC my software doesn't show any error? What error? No, I mean, he's downloading the program, the drive.
Yeah.
So you cannot communicate.
Okay.
Right. Should we set the signal to
PLC.
Oh, because it's interconnected, isn't it?
No, because you are the one scanning.
Oh, I'm the one who's scanning.
Because you are the one start search just now.
Yeah.
So only we show there.
Okay.
Later when you want to download, the same thing.
Uh,
Let's say later when you want to download, you will search for the same thing like PLC. You search for the drive. If the drive is not connected, it will show it.
okay.
If now it's connected, okay, load. Yes. Okay. You save the parameter in the EEPROM of the download. So means the BOP got EEPROM, right? So we save there also.
Look, eh?
Okay, look. So it will take some time. Once we load, what we do, we test just a simple, just on off only. We just check the motor can run or not. Okay? Then we can go to the programming.
Meaning we have to create the simple
Simple program.
program.
Yes.
On
and off. Very simple. What program I want to do is, I just want to use a move function. Okay? Move function. We use two move function.
to
Okay? Yes. Two move function, that is, number one is move the data to your QW256. Another one is a QW258. Okay, that is this one download. Your QW256 is what? QW256 is a control word, right?
control.
Okay.
It's output, isn't it?
It's the output, that's why I put it like this. This one is the speed word. So what we do, just to test this one, we use a memory to key MW0 and MW2 first, just to check whether the motor can run or not.
It's a FC, right?
No, just in the way for being done.
It meant OB. Okay. Complete the download.
Now we complete it.
Yeah.
Okay. Just now we do the commissioning, right? Okay, you go to the commissioning again.
Okay.
No, you click the drive, go online.
Go on.
Yes. Okay, can you see like a spanner with the red color, right? So spanner green color means communication is okay. So, but we need to do the maintenance, right? Okay. Error in lower level component means error means here lah, lower level. Go to the commissioning, double click. Control panel, manually control the drive from the PC. Okay, choose the control panel. Okay, every time you do commissioning, you need to do that. But if let's say you already do commissioning, you already test this one. Second time, no need to do. Okay, every time you do commissioning and you download the commissioning, you need to do that. If you are not downloading the commissioning, no need to do this. Okay. You close this. Yeah, okay. Activate master control. So master control means now your PC is controlling. So your PLC cannot control. Okay? Accept. Okay. So remember that just now the commissioning, the last function we choose, identify and stand still. Identify motor and stand still, right?
Yeah, stand still.
That's what we do first. Okay, you set some RPM, 1000 RPM. Enter. Okay, forward. You see, the motor not running, just because it's trying to give data and try to identify. You see, stationary measurement in progress. So you do some measurement. Once okay, good. Done.
Done.
Okay. Measurement is done. Can you see this one become green already? Okay. Okay. Now ready for switch on. Okay. Now we test manually. Set.
Set.
Okay. Forward. Put the camera.
Oh, ada motor. Oh, yeah.
Yeah. The
Motor.
blue. This one. This one.
Okay.
Okay. Because here got fan. If not, you can put it like this.
Okay.
Okay. Can see, yeah?
That's
Okay.
all.
Stop. Okay, just choose backward, let's see. Yeah.
Okay.
Can that? Okay, stop. Finish. That's all. Okay?
How this?
Jog, okay? Jog means you need to press and hold.
Press and hold.
Yeah, that is jogging.
Oh. Okay.
Okay, good?
Yeah.
Done. Okay. You reset.
Reset.
Not resetting that, you just
Reset.
reset this function only.
Okay.
Testing. Okay, deactivate master control.
Oh.
Yes, accept. Okay. Now we do the program. Okay? Now what we do?
Before programming, we have to go here.
Yes, because okay, why I need to do this? Just now I do the commissioning. Means okay, this is the drive. This drive is for standard 2 telegram, the RPM, everything is set right, the parameters. Then we download the parameter to the PLC. I mean, sorry, to the drive.
Right.
Okay. Once done, I need to do this control, commissioning control first. Because why? We need to do the identify and standstill.
Okay.
Once done, then only the PLC can control the drive.
It's one time only.
One time only. First time.
commissioning.
First commissioning, first download.
First
After that, don't need. So let's say, for example, later you want to download. Now you don't need to. No need. You don't need to do the commissioning because it's already done, right? You don't need to do the downloading and everything. You just do the PLC program, can control everything.
If he want to do,
Can. If you want to, because you also do the commissioning.
correct. Yes.
If you download your VFD to the, settings to the drive, then you need to do this before test your program. Okay?
Okay.
Why?
You also say.
Okay. Why you must do this thing?
Because you download the settings, because it's like a new setting already. So you need to do commissioning. Because it's already you already do the commissioning, you already tested. So the drive is ready to run.
Right.
But you again download a new configuration. So the drive need to do the commissioning before ready to run.
Yeah. Understand.
Okay?
Okay.
Good. Okay, now we go to the PLC OB1 enough first.
PLC.
Program blocks OB1.
Simple start stop. Using
Only just do this program first. Because why? Because this drive don't have start stop button. Start stop can later I show you how to do that. Move
Can I put it?
can. Just add to move. Okay. So the first move MW0 to QW256. MW0 no need to put any name, but QW256 you put some name. 256. Yes. Rename. Okay. What you do?
Control. Oh.
Control button.
Or forward.
No, control button.
Control.
It's not a forward, it's just a control button. Change. Okay. This one is MW2 QW258.
QW258.
speed word. Okay, change. Alright, okay. Now one person download first, Okay. You just download like normal, just download. Choose the PLC and download. Okay. Download to device. Yes, this one. Okay, continue without synchronization. Okay, stop. All. Okay, load. Okay, finish. Click here. Monitor. Okay, is it got error? Got error, right?
Yes.
Got error, Okay, we see what error.
Oh,
Okay.
now, this one.
Okay, we see what error. Okay, we go down to the drive. Can you see what error, right?
Yes.
Okay, go to online and diagnostic. Go to diagnostic, active alarm. Okay, set point timeout. No set point,
Oh, yeah.
That's why.
Okay.
Okay? Okay. You go to the main. Okay, where to give the set point? Here, right?
Yes.
Right, here, right?
Yeah.
MW2, okay. So you see, is if you put 16 hashtag means, it's in hexadecimal.
Yes, correct.
Okay, double click. You key, let's say 2000. You key 2000. Okay. Alright. But still the error there.
Yes.
Okay. Now,
Why this one both the same?
you are moving the value
Oh.
from here to here.
Okay.
Move data, move function.
How about this one? This one also can move?
Yeah, can, but wait.
Wait, okay.
We see what value need to move. Okay. Now, you see, I already moved 2000 to the speed word. Right. So now, if I want to run forward, backward, I need to do these numbers. Okay. So 4, 7. This one is 4, 7. F. Yeah. 4, 7, E, 4, 7, F. Okay. Now, so my drive is full, right?
Yeah, correct.
So I write down here, you see, forward is 4, 7E, backward is C7F, stop is 4, 7F, then reset, right? Reset is what? 4FE. Okay. Now you key in 4FE. You key in 4FE here. Double click. 4FE. Enter. Is it reset already?
Yes.
Yes.
No alarm.
Yeah.
Okay. Now you key in 47E.
Here.
Yeah.
For the same as well.
Yeah. 47.
47E.
Okay. 47F. Okay. 47F. 47E is. Yeah. 47F. F47.
Okay, next. Oh, it start running.
Yes.
It moves forward, isn't it?
It's forward. It means it's not like digital output on running. No. You need to send these values to this control word. Then only the motor can run.
This one control the speed, isn't it? This one control the function.
No, that one is a speed lah. This one is control your
Function.
yeah, can tell function lah.
Function lah.
Yeah.
Okay, then if I want to turn on, turn off,
Turn
I will
off.
470.
470. Okay?
Okay.
Can?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Now,
But meaning to say, if I want to put a lot of control, I need to create a lot of move.
yes. I will show you here. For example. But this one later when we do project, we use this method lah. Okay? Okay. You see if I want to, let's say, after finish the timer, the pump need to be on. The motor need to be on. Okay?
Yeah.
So of course the timer, we have the timer done. Timer memory that. So anything lah, okay? So I just put start okay. When I press start, what I need to do, take move. This one will be the same. QW256. Here, I don't need to use MW already. I can use constant number.
Okay.
Constant number straight away I can use these numbers. But in hexadecimal. Okay. How to use hexadecimal is W hashtag 16 hashtag 47F. Okay?
Okay.
Go to calculator, then this one you take picture. Go to calculator,
Yes. Good.
you key 47F,
Hex, right?
X 47F.
47F.
What do you get? No, you delete first.
Oh,
47F.
47F.
Yeah.
Okay.
What value?
Yes.
Decimal what value?
Decimal 1151.
So you have two options. You can key in this one or you can key in 1151. It's up to you. Okay? If you want to stop, same. You put a stop button, one push button lah, right? Same move like you said just now, right?
Okay.
Same QW256, then W hashtag 16 hashtag 470 or 1150. Because 1150 is decimal, so don't need to put it in
Zero ini.
put 470.
470. Oh yeah, zero. 1150.
Yes. So this one can be similar like your coil, no actually.
Oh,
Correct.
Yeah, correct.
Similar like your coil.
Okay, correct.
But since this is not using digital,
Yes.
it's using like a value like analog, right?
Yeah.
So I have to use move function.
Okay.
If normal motor you want to control using contactor, right? You use coil. Then you put the output, right?
Correct.
The same concept, but since this motor, this is how, because you're using communication to control, so this is how you control.
Okay, one more thing. Why W hashtag 16 hashtag?
Okay, why W? W is what?
Word.
What? Yes.
Yes.
Word. 16 is what? Hexadecimal. That's all.
Oh, we have to add this one.
Yes. We
Okay,
are telling.
okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Hexadecimal is 16.
Yeah.
Yes, correct.
So we are telling this here. I am keying word. Actually, sometimes this one also can run it lah. Just put 16 hashtag also can.
Also,
So means we are telling that the data I put here is word,
yes.
is the hexadecimal,
Hexadecimal.
and the value is this one.
This will go.
You want to put in binary also can.
Oh, binary is
Yes.
But it's 010001.
Yes.
Oh.
If in binary, how? Let's say this one is 1150, right?
Yes, correct. 1150.
W hashtag
Mm-hmm.
2. Because binary is 2 bit. Base 2.
Correct. Base
What is it?
1 or 0.
Hashtag, what is the value?
0,
0
1,
100
0, 0, 0, 1, 1,
0111
1, 1, 1,
1110. But normally we don't use this lah. We either use this one or this one. If you ask me, I prefer this 47E. You know why? In future I see, I understand why 47E. Where I get, so I know I get from the manual. If I put 1150, what you said, you cannot think. 1150 is just number because it's just a decimal number.
Yeah, we need to
Yes.
key in this.
Key in, yes. Later on, what you can do is 47. Let's say this one one network, this one one network, right?
Yeah.
The command you key 47E is hexadecimal.
Oh.
So what you do? You go to your PLC, download the PLC program first.
Can download all? Because
No, others not using, just download.
download.
Yes, the PLC program first.
PLC program.
Yes. Right click, download the software on.
Software on.
Yeah, software enough because your hardware for the PLC and the drive already downloaded.
Already downloaded.
Yes. Finish?
Okay.
Okay. Now, you go down, go to your
HMI.
PC station. No, PC station
Okay.
is HMI here.
HMI.
Under the PC station, the runtime.
Running time.
No, runtime here. Actually, okay, sorry. HMI RT.
Okay. HMI.
Yes, actually RT is to runtime.
Oh, runtime. Okay.
That's why I use that.
And then download as well.
No,
No?
because
Compile.
it's a PC, right?
Ah.
So start runtime.
Start runtime.
Yes.
Okay.
So
Oh, it goes to Mississippi.
yes. Okay. Now, as usual, like just now we test, right? What we need to do the set point first.
Do the set point.
Okay, you want to monitor the program, is it?
Okay.
Here, process.
Oh, process.
Process or the, yeah. Which one you want to monitor, you can monitor. Okay. Which one you want to monitor? Okay. Then you open your runtime, the SCADA. Here.
Oh, sorry. Process.
Yes. Okay. You set the pump speed and the mixer speed. Here. Yes.
Mixes.
Set point.
Oh, set point.
Okay.
It goes to 40.
40, enter. Okay. The feedback only, feedback program. Okay. Pump set point.
Set point. Again.
Okay, enter. Okay. First reset first.
Reset.
Make sure no error. Is it got error?
No.
No error, right?
Okay. That's
Okay.
okay.
Alright. Start. VA on that.
Yes.
Okay. Now you increase your level meter. So now 15 cm.
Okay.
Can you see?
Yeah. Still changes.
Yes.
3,000. Okay.
Okay. Valve be on.
Yes.
Okay. Then you increase to 1800, right?
1,800. Oh, the motor run.
Yes.
Okay, then goes to. Oh, it is now is timer, is it? 10 seconds.
Then, now the pump is on. So you can see the pump feedback.
Oh, pump it back.
Okay.
Okay.
Now you decrease. So
Okay.
when you go back to 0,
The pump will stop.
yes. Yes.
Oh,
That's all. Okay?
yes.
Any question?
So far, no.
Okay, yeah?
Yeah, so far, okay.
This one okay, yeah? Can I?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can close, then you go offline. Want to test, right?
Okay.
So what you do, you download the software only.
Okay.
Yeah. Download software only changes.
Okay, sorry. Just now, basically we need to offline all.
Yeah, because
Which is including the
VFD.
as well.
Yeah,
But
yeah,
right
yeah.
now, I just go offline on.
only the
PLC.
Okay, what happened earlier? You
Huh?
online with PLC and also the VFD.
Okay.
That's why we offline both.
Uh,
But just now you online only with the PLC. You didn't online with the VFD, right?
yeah. Correct.
Yes. So just need to offline the PLC.
PLC only.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then okay. You go to your program and monitor. If you want to monitor lah. If you don't want to monitor, you just can go down. Okay. Right click HMI VFD Advanced. Yes. Start runtime.
Okay. Start runtime. Compile when we using compile.
Compile, actually whenever we do, it's automatically compile.
Oh, okay. Compiling.
Okay, what happened? The name was very small, right? Correct.
Oh,
Okay, never mind. You close. You see why? Because the size not enough. Okay, you click here. Okay. You click here, the VA. Okay, you make it bigger. Okay, right. Go to properties. Properties. No, VA properties. Okay. The layout. Okay, fit to object content. Yeah.
Oh.
Offline. So you close this. Okay, now you make it bigger. The size. Yes. 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 Enough. Enough. And you add at the side enough lah. Okay. Same for the others also.
If not, we just show mix on MIX V only.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, done. It's also me.
Yes. All these also did.
But why when I'm doing that, it's fixed to the screen?
Maybe I think the settings lah.
Oh.
Yeah, what the settings. Maybe previously
Okay.
the programmer already unchecked or maybe different settings now.
Okay, very good.
Is it possible to support another language? Chinese?
Yeah, of course.
German?
Of course.
What is it?
Language, different language.
Is there any?
Yeah, yes, can. There's a function for language.
Oh,
You save first. Okay, later you ask. Then, okay, I click start runtime. Yes, now okay, right? Okay. So first, yes. Enter, okay. Pound also. 2000 cannot.
Because maximum.
1500 maximum. Yes, okay, enter. Enter. Okay, so you remember just now the level meter, all I asked you to choose output, right? You know what? Okay, you just go and click. Cannot click.
Oh.
If I choose input output,
Oh,
means
okay.
it will can key in the value.
Yeah, somebody wanna change cannot change.
Yes.
Is it?
Of course lah. Of course the value cannot change
Okay.
because it's an output.
Output.
Okay, cannot change. But sometimes others will be confused. Why cannot? It's a level supposed to be displayed. Why can I key in the value? Okay.
Reset.
Reset first. Okay. Start. Okay,
Yeah,
valve A is
yes.
on. Okay, we increase the level meter.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh,
Amen.
Yes, okay.
Yeah. Increase the level meter.
okay, 1,000.
Okay. Next, valve B on.
That's it, right?
No.
No, you have to.
1,800.
1,800. The pump will running.
Yeah. Okay. Now the pump will on for 10 seconds. Right.
It's running. 10 seconds. Yes, correct.
So when the mixer run, when the pump run, you can get the feedback. Right. Okay. You reduce. Yes. Okay. Good. Save. First, go offline. You close your runtime. That's money. Okay, nice. Okay. Save first. Okay, what do you do? We try this way, yeah. Okay. Wait. You don't download the PLC. Okay.
Oh, don't download PLC.
First, I mean, we want to try and see.
Okay.
Okay. What do? You right click the HMI. Start runtime. Okay. We try whether this file can support or not. Wait, can you see?
Oh, okay. It's not support.
Cannot communicate. If a Siemens one what hashtag means is communication error. Cannot communicate.
Oh, means even though it's same tagging everything.
No, it's not same tagging one.
No, let's say if same tagging.
No, cannot also.
Cannot also.
So, no need to close, just minimize. Okay. You go right click the PLC, download to device, software, objects. So your project must be inside. Then only the SCADA can detect the specific tagging, can communicate. Okay, finish. So you know right why every time I reset? Because we download new project, the set point for the VFD don't have, so become an error. So we give the value first. You put the pump set point first. No, pump mixer set point and pump set point. Enter. I need to enter. Okay, pump set point. 1,400. Okay, no problem.
So I have to click reset.
Reset first. Okay, now you start. Okay, what it on? Okay, you increase the level meter. You increase. So this is how your actual machine is going to work. So HMI or SCADA just depend on your tagging only.
Now it's valve B.
Valve B is on. Okay.
Increase the go.
Increase.
1,800.
Mixer run. Why mixer feedback no value? Okay. Why mixer feedback no value? We troubleshoot. Okay.
Yeah, and decrease.
This one become here already.
Oh.
Okay. Maybe the addressing lah. No
Okay.
problem. Okay. Meaning can close. Don't need to decrease. Maybe
No,
no.
no decrease.
Okay. Maybe okay. Maybe yeah. Okay. Go up. Mixer feedback. Maybe the position is wrong. Okay. So this one, no tagging. That's why no value. Okay. And mixer feedback, right? Yeah. Okay. Output enough. Output enough.
Oh, meaning if I put
Out.
input and output, I can change.
Yes, you can change, but the thing is, the PLC won't allow you to change.
Oh, okay.
Because PLC always give you the value.
Can I try?
Can.
Okay.
Save. Then the runtime.
Pasti.
RT. Yes, I click start. Okay, so now what do you do? Wait. Always up. Okay, now you don't need to decrease, just stop. Press stop. You stop already. Because we had the stop button, but
And how about all the program that we adjust just now, we changed just now?
Ah.
Only to upload?
we only do changes in the here. We didn't do changes in the PLC one.
Okay.
So no need to download the PLC. Okay. Go back to 0. Value. We start again. We see. Okay. The mixer feedback, right? Okay. You try to key in. You click here. Able to key in, right? Enter. Yes, it becomes 0. Right?
Correct.
Yes. You can key in, but PLC is always override the value. PLC is always giving the value because currently the mixer feedback is 0. So we can,
Meaning, basically, during program we can put input and output.
yeah,
No problem.
no problem. But the thing is sometimes you confuse. Some people, right, if other people, suddenly they come and say, suddenly they can key. They will try to key. Of course, like, you cannot do it.
But it can be confused.
Yeah,
for
can be
everyone.
confused lah. Why this one can key? It's supposed to be display only, right?
Okay.
Okay, is that?
Feedback output.
Yes. Okay, increase.
Reads 1000. Okay.
Okay, while we on. So you see here what? 50 Hz feedback.
Yes.
Motor running 50 Hz feedback. Then after 10 seconds, yes. So now you decrease slowly. Okay, good. Okay, whatever you done, you save first. Save. Okay. Now, any question? Yeah. Don't have. Okay, just now you asked about what?
Oh, the language.
Language, right?
Yes.
Yes. You go down.
Go down.
Language and resources. Okay. Text language. Project text. Yeah. Open. Okay. Editing language, reference language. Okay. Then okay, no. Where? This is where we need to do the project language lah. Okay, you click on the project language. Okay, so you can add the project language, what language you want.
Oh.
Okay,
For example?
for example, I add this. Okay, now go to project text. Okay,
Oh, Chinese
so
People Republic.
now
China.
for this one, okay. Okay, so this is a reference. Okay, go down, go to your, where is the, go down slowly. Your start stop all gone. Maybe object, all object here you filter. Okay,
This one.
this one. Yes.
The language
PC
can-
session. Yes.
The language can be controlled using the keyboard setting.
Yeah, keyboard setting is on. No, cannot.
Okay.
Okay, click that. I mean, others all you uncheck. Okay. Okay, go down. The PC station only. Go down. I mean, I want to see your tagging here. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So now this 11 meter, you need to add Chinese language.
It's already automatic translate, but not accurate lah.
Accurate lah, but this one all what I mean, this one all I mean by default, right? Monitor all
Monitor all default.
So some
Thanks.
default one maybe you have,
Okay.
but yours 11 meter mixer all don't have. So you need to add.
Oh, need to add. Oh,
Yeah.
some operation authorization already changed.
So some they have like so
Oh.
like
I mean,
all these you have.
the common one lah.
Yeah, that's why I said
common.
the common one is already there.
Mm.
But the one you created,
Created.
you need to do the
Oh.
translation.
Okay.
Okay?
So how do I?
No, maybe here 11 meter.
Thanks.
Yeah. But how do you this one? You need to
To change my keyboard.
use the keyboard and check key lah. Okay.
Yeah.
Once done, what you need to do?
Mhm.
You go to your screen. Okay. You minimize this. Okay, go to toolbox. You add one button. Yeah. For mistaken, can change using the button. You see. Okay. You go to property of the button. Okay. Go to event. Press. Okay, function. Okay, you click here. Make it here. Okay, go down. Is there anything with the language you are? Okay, go to system. Okay, no settings.
Oh, set language.
Where is
Yes.
where
Yeah,
set
set
language.
language.
Yes. Okay. Language to you click here. You click here. Set language. You see whether you can choose the runtime language. Yeah. Okay. You choose here. English. So the Chinese just now I need to enable and click OK first lah. Then I need to add a button.
Okay.
Then I need to do the setting for the button. Similar like you set for the start stop.
Start stop.
So means add the function. If you click, convert to this language.
Oh, okay.
If you click another button, convert to this
Convert to
language.
that.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
But you need to create all the text first.
Oh, okay.
Even the text you see, right, start, stop, this one also you can change. You need to create that also. That one, if not mistaken, text and graphics, you go to here. Yeah, text and graphic list. Okay, you need to add here
Oh.
the text you want to use. All the texts, all the, but this one just the name. I can delete. Okay, so you can use here or just now we see the what in the project language, right?
Project language.
I mean the project text, I think. Here, project text. Yes, here. So one by one you need to change.
Stop button need to change to what? Stop Chinese.
Yeah. Need to one by one you key in. Last time I did one for one company, one project. That one is in Italian language.
Oh.
But they don't have this option to convert. They don't have this button to change. Means originally is done in Italian language. So when they give the project, because TIA portal is depend on your laptop. If the laptop is English, this one also will be English.
Oh.
TIA portal lah. But the project, they depend on what language they design the program. So So last time they about Italian, so what I did is I do the same thing. Need to manually one by one I key.
And then how to use dual language?
Use the just now the dual the button just now the button. Yeah. So you can
English and
yes, that's why sometimes your HMI you have buttons.
Yes.
English all that.
Yeah.
That's the thing. So the button is not only for start and stop on program. Just set reset. The button got so many things.
Okay.
So if you want to do screen change,
Screen
same thing. Button. So you need to add a screen first, then you add a button, then choose the screen change, and then choose the screen. So you see, you put setting, then you choose the tag, right?
Yeah.
The same concept if you do it screen. You add the screen first, then you add a button. Then change the screens.
So that's why the HMI can set the language whatever language you want.
Yeah, it's depend on the project you do. It's not the HMI language. It's depend on the project.
For project.
Yes.
It's not
It's not in the HMI. No.
Meaning you can add a lot of language inside.
Yeah, of course. It's just a text only one. HMI is just a display only one. The
Yeah,
program,
yeah.
this is a program that you download to the HMI. So the HMI depend on your program, what program you do. But TI portal only support few language lah. English, German, Chinese. I never install what language you have. English, Italian, if I'm mistaken, Korean also they have. I'm not so sure. Japanese. 5 or 6 language now.
Okay.
But English, German, Chinese standard lah.
Standard, yeah.
But again, for the language, can we only change for the from the DB block only? Because we're using the DB block for SCADA, so we only want to change the language for SCADA. We can.
That's why just now we, because this one now all the stop. This is the text. The wording you use for the text can change. The other one just now we have a start stop SCADA also can change. All can change. It depends because it will show everything. So it depends on which one you want to change only. Not all need to change. It depends which one you want to change.
Editing language should be changed to Chinese. Editing language, try to, I mean the top one, editing language, just change to Chinese. That's it.
Here.
Just
So means
whatever.
wait, all the future will become, everything will be in Chinese.
Okay, check.
So editing is the main language lah.
Yeah, become a main editing language. Because it cancel first.
Okay.
Okay, you click again here. Wait. So it is closing all the blocks. Okay, click here. Okay, you wait here. Wait for a while. Yeah, just put the mouse there. Why you not showing? Just now you showing the. Or you just bring the mouse here. Okay. Again,
specific.
Okay, you see.
Okay.
All future text entries are created in the editing language. So all future. So later on, once because this one done already, right? So later on when you add, all will be in Chinese.
But they change to English again.
Better change to English. Okay. Here also can change. I think go to option or tools here. You go to option, settings. Go to tools. Okay, no language. Okay, go to option.
Project language there.
Where is it?
Project language
Tools. Project language, but I cannot open now.
Because it's not saying.
Actually, it's the same thing like just now we opened here.
Yeah, I think you
It's the same thing.
Same.
No. It's the same thing only. Project language.
Oh.
This one the same thing only. That's why you cannot open here. It's already open.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's already open. Yeah.
Okay.
Because it's not. You close this one. the one we are doing here, right? It's
Mhm.
not the PC station. It's your project.
Oh.
I mean, it's for your project, the whole thing, not for the for the PC.
Oh, okay.
It's the whole thing. So that's why just now when you change to Chinese, right, it close everything.
Mm.
Okay. Any question you have? Wait. Any question?
No.
No, okay, this one need to practice lah.
Yeah.
Of course, need to practice.
Okay.
But just now we still step by step, right? Because this one goes step by step. So in the manual I have the step.
Yeah.
The manual I just now will give you the step.
Okay.
If you have a pen drive, you give me. I have the manual for synaptic drive, VFD. So step by step lah, I have. Just now the same way lah we did. Okay.
So you will have this soft copy.
Yes, I have. I think inside the PC also I have. Later I'll give you. But that one I have manually. The soft copy I have.
Oh, this one. So copy.
Yeah. You give me a pen drive, I can put it in your pen drive.
Okay, this is a copy. Yeah.
That's copy.
Okay. Alright. So
And how about this project graphic? When I click it, inside the project graphic, there is a lot of graphic. Like this one for using for HMI or using for what?
same.
Oh, HMI. Oh, okay.
I mean the graphics lah. You can add for the button. You want to add the graphics, okay. You want to add a logo, home button, everything you can add.
And also, furthermore, I can add new one.
Yes.
I can download from somewhere and then Seamless only.
Seamless one. And if you want to add a logo, your company logo,
Okay.
also can.
From Siemens also.
But how?
No, it's just a PNG file.
Oh.
Any PNG file. Any PNG file, you can just add here. That's why sometimes you see you have your company logo.
Yeah.
That's how they do. They add a PNG file. Okay, good.
Yeah, I can edit as well.
Yeah, of course.
Put my name on this.
Yeah. Yeah, of course. So normally whenever I do a project, I put my company logo there. That's why. So we know that we did the project. Okay, good. Okay. So if no question, we